Hello guys, hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Glambyizie. If this is your first time of stopping by, you are welcome. Today's video I'll be doing something very simple. I'll be doing a very simple eyeshadow look inspired by this flower. I do hope I have that shade in my eyeshadow palette, so do stick around to see what look I'll be creating. First things first, I'll be using my House of Tara eyeshadow primer. I'll be picking up this shade. Is to pick up another shade that is dark, but it's not black. Go back in with the same brush and just blend the edge so that there's no harsh line. I don't have this shade, this exact shade, so this is the only shade that is close to it. This one here. I'll just form. I'm not cutting my crease, but I'm just trying to be very precise with the application. So to create the cut crease look, but not necessarily cutting it with concealer or eyeshadow primer, just going straight up with the eyeshadow. But this method will not work for matte eyeshadow. And I'll pick up Funk from my Zaron eyeshadow palette. It's a yellow shade. I'll just pop that here. It gives it a brighter look. This shade here. I'll just buff that in to the I'll use the same brush I used earlier. I'll just blend everything seamlessly. Zaron gel liner in Jazz. And I'll be using this Eyebrow Pro Concealer Orange Corrector. Just apply that on areas where I have dark spots. I'll be using this Flawless Evie Makeup Foundation in the shade Honey. My ear and the back of my neck as well, so everything is well blended. To highlight my face with Eyebrow Pro Concealer in Fawn. Just like a shade lighter, or like my exact skin shade. I don't like going too bright for my highlighter, except when I have a very dark eye look going on, very dark. I'll be using this Glambyizie blending sponge. It's not wet. You actually get more coverage when it's dry, so I alternate. Sometimes I use it wet, sometimes I use it dry. Try and get to the inner corner part. I'll just pick up this powder brush. Now I'll use the lightest shade in the palette to set my under eye. I'll just press it in. And the rest of my face, I'll use my exact shade. Next thing I'll do is to pick up a dark shade to just powder contour. Maybelline Baby Lips. Just moisturize my lips first. My Makeup Revolution. I'll just mix it up and dust up. Now blend this shade here. Milani Amore Matte Lip Cream in the shade Gorgeous. This is Beyond Beauty. So here is the final look. I do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel and kindly share this video with your friends, your family, and everyone around you. I'll see you guys in my next video.